The specific steps for activating a wireless enTouch phone may vary based on the phone model and the carrier's processes. However, I can provide you with a general outline of the typical activation process for a wireless phone. Check compatibility. Ensure that your enTouch phone is compatible with the enTouch wireless network. Some phones may not work with certain carriers, so it's essential to verify this beforehand. Insert SIM card. If your enTouch phone requires a SIM card, insert it into the designated slot in the phone. The SIM card contains your phone number and account information, and it's essential for connecting to the network. Power on the phone. Turn on the phone by pressing and holding the power button until the device powers up. Follow on-screen prompts. The phone will guide you through the activation process with on-screen prompts. It may ask you to choose your language, set up Wi-Fi, if available, and agree to the terms and conditions. Provide account information. You will likely be asked to enter your account information, such as your phone number, name, address, and any other relevant details. Activate service. Once you have entered the necessary information, the phone should attempt to activate its service with the enTouch wireless network. This process may take a few minutes, and the phone might restart during this time. Test the connection. After activation, make a test call and send a test text message to verify that the phone is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues during the activation process or need specific instructions for your particular phone model, I recommend contacting enTouch Wireless Customer Support. They can provide you with precise guidance and ensure a smooth activation process. You can find their contact information on their website or documentation that came with the phone.